Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on search privacy in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where you have some pictures. From here we have to go into the profile menu, then tap on profile visibility, and here we have search privacy. We can turn this on, and then tap on I understand, and what this does is that the app is going to hide our profile and words that we have created from search engines. So if people are searching for some ideas or searching for our profile, the app is going to hide it, so it won't be among the search results. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.